Hey guys, welcome to the Python series. In today's video, we are going to talk about membership operators and Boolean operators. So first, let's get into the definition of what is a membership operator. Membership operators are used to test if a sequence is presented in an object. Membership operator in Python can be defined as being an operator that is used to validate the membership of a value. This operator is used to test memberships in variables such as strings, integers, as well as tuple. Here is a table comprising about the membership operator. First we have the operator column, then description, then example. First operator is the in operator, which describes that it returns true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. For example, x and y. Next operator is the not in operator, which describes returns true if a sequence with the specified value is not present in the object. For example, x not in y. The next operator we are going to look into is the Boolean operator. Boolean operators can also be termed as logical operators. Boolean operators are used to combine conditional statements. Boolean operators have the lowest priority in all operations in Python. First column we have the operator, the next column we have the description, and the next column we have the example. So first let's look into the first Boolean operator, AND operator. AND operator describes that it returns true if both statements are true. So here you can see in the example that x is less than 4 and you're using the AND operator between these two statements, x is less than 4 and x is less than 8, and if both the conditions are true, then here the output would be shown as true. The next operator is the OR operator. Returns true if either one of the statements is true. So if x is less than 4 or x is less than 2, if either one of the two statements is true, then the output would be shown as true. The next operator is the NOT operator. It reverses the result and returns false if the result is true. So here you can see that in this case NOT operator is used. So as you can see in the first case where we use the AND operator, where we got the output as true. So here if you use the NOT operator, the output would be shown as false. Let's start with some of the examples of membership operator. Membership operators contains two operators, in operator and not in operator. First, let's look into what is an in operator. We have a number 3 in a set of elements in a list which is termed as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we check if 3 is actually present in the group of elements in such as this list. And now let's execute it. So here it is showing the output as true because 3 is exactly present in the particular list. Now let's try for an element which is not there in the list, such as 9. So let's type 9 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here the output would be false because 9 is not there in this group of elements. So now let's check for the not in operator. So 3 not in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here it is showing the output as false because 3 is there in the list of elements. So the output would be false. So now let's check for an element which is not there in the group of elements. So let us type in 9 not in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you can see that the output is true because 9 is not exactly present in the group of elements. So this is all about the membership operators. Now let's see about what are Boolean operators. There are exactly 3 Boolean operators: AND Boolean operator, OR Boolean operator and NOT Boolean operator. Let's take a number 6 less than 8 and we are going to use the AND operator and 2 equal to 2. Now let's execute this. This condition is correct, so the output would be shown as true. This condition of Boolean operator AND will only be true if both the conditions are correct. So here you can see that 8 is can't be less than 6. So here the condition here is incorrect. So AND operator would not be applicable in this case, so the output would be false. So next is the OR operator. In case of OR operator, any one of the condition is true, then the answer or the output would be true. Here you can see that both the statements are correct. So this can also be applicable for OR operator. Now let's take a statement or two statements where one of the statement is incorrect and the other one is correct. So we'll take 8 greater than 9 or 4 equal to 4. Here you can see that 8 can't be greater than 9. This statement is incorrect, but the other statement 4 equal to 4 is correct. So hence the output we will get will be true. The third and the last operator in Boolean operators is the NOT operator. NOT operator is used to reverse the answer. Let me show you how. So here we can see that 7 is greater than 4. So the Boolean value would be true. So now let's try using the NOT operator. Here NOT just reverses the output you have got. So if you had got a true, now by using the NOT operator, the output would be shown as false. It's also applicable the other way. Let's check for 4 greater than 7. Here the condition is false. So let's check for not 4 greater than 7. So here the Boolean value will be true because it just reverses the output shown. So I hope you guys understood all the concepts in this particular video. I'll see you again.